Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cbse Courses with Reeti. I hope you have seen my previous video in which we have discussed what are polynomials and everything we need to know in this class 10th. And today we are going to start with 2.2. We already did 2.1 and here is the question. X square minus 2x minus 8. We have to find zeros of polynomial. We can see that the highest degree, the degree is 2. And when the degree is 2, it means it will have two zeros of polynomial. And we call it as alpha and beta. We already did this. If you are having any kind of situation, any kind of confusion, you can just go back to the video, watch it. It's a small but a full-fledged video about the polynomials, class 10th. All things you need to know. Here what you will do is, first you will multiply coefficient. Here it's 1, 8 1 ja 8. Now 8 into 1 is equals to 8. Now you have to put it in such a way that it comes to be minus 2. How do you do that? I remember the easiest way is 4 into 2 is also equals to 10. And if I write it down, 2 minus 4, it's gonna give me 2 only, minus 2. Then hence I can write it down x square minus, not minus, it will be plus 2 minus 4. You have to put x with both of them, minus 8. Now we'll do the grouping thing. This will become one group, this will become the another group. Here I can see that x is common here, then I'll put x here. In bracket, what I'm left? X square में से x आया. Then we have x here plus. Now 2 is remaining x, so हमने common लिया. Now in this case, what we can take common? 4. We can take 4 common, right? Let's take 4 common. X will remain as it is. Now if I'll take minus 4 here. Let us take minus 4 as common. Then minus 4 will be taken as common, so it will be like 2. Now sometimes we get confused that why we are not writing minus as it is. So the answer is, when we put it in a bracket, the signs get reversed. And also there is a logical way as well, that if you multiply it, then plus minus, it will become minus. But if you put it like minus 4 by x minus 2, then what will become? Minus minus plus. It will become plus 8, which we don't want. We want minus 8. That's why we are going to put it like this. I hope this is clear. Now x plus 2 is common. Means we got our first zero of a polynomial. Now x minus 4, we can write it down like 8. Hence we are having two zeros of polynomial. But still we haven't got our alpha and beta. How will we get it? X plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 2. How will do that? If plus will come this side, it will become minus automatically. In the same way, x minus 4 is equals to 0. Right? Therefore x is equals to plus 4, or you can simply write 4 as well. It will mean the same. Now we got the two zeros of polynomial. What we'll do is, we have to find the relationship in between of them. That's gonna be hard? No, obviously not. Let us first write two zeros of polynomial. You can take any of them as alpha and any beta. You can call it beta, you can call it alpha, you can call it alpha, you can call it beta. There is no such rule that which one needs to be called which. I'll just take alpha as minus 2 and beta as 4. Okay? Now after we got our alpha and beta, we'll put the formulas for check the relationship. If you read the question, it says that find the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Means basically it's telling us to verify, and how we can verify. We have the two formulas. which is alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, right? And I told you that even if your b is minus here, then also you will put that minus, let's say minus 2 is our b, so we'll put minus 2 like this, and after bracket we'll put minus again. This is the rule. You can't do that if it's in minus, so you will just put it like that. You will do that, your answer is gonna be wrong, it will not verify, hence you're gonna lose your marks. This is the first step. And the second formula is like alpha into beta is equals to c upon a, right? This is your first, this is your second. First, let's do with the first equation. What is our alpha? Minus 2 plus 4 equals to minus b. Now, tell me what is a here? Our a is 1, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus 8. You should write it down before, because this will help you to do the sum more clearly and easily, and you aren't stuck in between finding that where is my b, where is my c. You just have to put the formulas. Minus b, but I have to put it like this, and a. Minus minus, it will become like plus 2 equals to plus minus minus 4 minus 2 is 2, but we'll take the sign of the greater number, that is your plus. Okay, hence it's verified. Now we'll do the second case. Okay, we'll do what? We'll do the second case. This is by equation 1 proved. By equation 1 we have proved, but in the question you have to do it with the first of things. So alpha into beta minus 2 into 4 is equals to c upon 8, that is minus 8 upon 1. If you will not write minus upon 1, just a second. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. If you will not write the upon 1 also, then it won't deduct your marks, because 1 is just negligible, you don't need to write it down. So let me just remove it. Now, plus minus, minus 2 4 is 8 equals to minus 8. This is for proved. Therefore, alpha is equals to minus 2, beta is equals to 4, proved. Just this much you have to do it. I hope you are clear with it. Now let's do the second part, and if you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe it now.